just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you.
Three, two, one.
E aí?